everybody, Shannon from Creative Chaos in Tennessee, and I am back with step 4 of creating an album in 31 days, and I have Pip here with me, and he's stealing my stuff. Stop it! Today is step 4, which is assemble the kit. So, we have been working in steps to get all of our stuff together so that we can get ready to create. So, we have our album and our cat, apparently. Stop. All of the embellishments. Have all my papers here that I'm not going to use all of this. I can already tell you. This is just so that I have options. I have my pictures. I still need to print my pictures from this year. And I have my checklist that I have everything together. So, pretty much, this is it. And I would recommend, if you're going to work this way, oh, I don't have my stamps and dies up here on the table, which I really don't have the room anyways because I have a cat in the way. Ain't that right, Pippers? So, I would recommend to find something so that you can keep it out, like a little basket, or like I like using these little clear bins, but something so that you can kind of contain it while we work through for the month so that it's easy to just pull from. Even a little shallow cardboard box would work. You can make a little flip pile. By all means, use whatever method works best for your brain because we're all different. There is no wrong way, as Ginger loves to say. But there truly isn't. We all create differently. But this is just how I work. And this is what works for me. And what works best to work on just one theme. So, I think this is going to work out good to create with this month. And I just want to say thank you guys for joining me, hanging out. I hope you guys are still hanging in there and playing along. And that you will pull all of your stuff together and be inspired, which will be tomorrow's video, which is finding all your inspiration. So, definitely come back and check it out. And until next time, bye y'all.